Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to use 24-hour format on Samsung Galaxy A01 Core. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you all have to do is go to setting in your Samsung Galaxy A01 Core. In settings, okay, scroll down and go to system. Okay, tap the system and system. Okay, you can see the date and time. Okay, tap this. And date and time, okay, you can see the use 24-hour format. And okay guys, to use this, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, we have successfully used the 24-hour format on my Samsung Galaxy A01 Core. And okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.